How to add money to PayPal from debit card. So there are two ways to do that. So the first one is to simply link the debit card to your PayPal account. So basically, in order to do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your wallet and then simply click on link a card. Now the next step is to select that card and then make sure to make it as preferred. So you're gonna have to enable it. So simply click on this, and as you can see, we'll use this when you shop or send money for goods and services. So basically, when you try to buy something using your PayPal, or you try to send money to someone on PayPal, you're gonna take money from that debit card basically. Now there is another way. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Amazon and then simply look for PayPal gift cards, and you can simply buy them and then simply redeem them on your PayPal account, and then you're gonna get the balance directly here. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.